makeup lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorial. Yay! This week is a very exciting video. Me and Kelly have been looking forward to it a lot because it is about Swiitch Beauty, in case you were guessing. Okay, so they recently had a pop-up event at 27 Boxes in Melville that Kaylee and I attended. And it was a super fun event. They had a whole bunch of their products that they displayed and you could buy. And they had like a cute little hot chocolate stand and you could get coffee. And so the event was really awesome, and we got to meet the owner, which is like such a powerhouse boss woman, just killing it at life. Her makeup line is amazing, and so that was really cool. We got to meet her and they love my makeup. So I was so excited. It's really awesome to have local brands like coming forth and producing amazing products that are cruelty-free and, like I said, that are local and accessible to South Africans. So go ahead and do your South African cruelty-free duty and go and follow them on Instagram and check out their website and support amazing local products. Alright, so we picked up a few things at the event, obviously. And one of the things that we picked up was the Swiitch Beauty, I don't know why I read the front, Prime Time Kit, and it is a lip exfoliating gel and matte balm, and it comes like this. Compared to the size of my head, it's quite big. Okay, so it says it is a lip prepping gel that removes dead and dry skin, but okay, it is a lip prepping gel which removes dead skin / dry flaky bits on your lips to create a smooth ass even base. Alright, for all you matte loving lipstick girls out there, this is a need clearly. And some things fell. And then you open it. It says Prime Time Kit won't make you a better daughter-in-law, help you during test week, or make your boyfriend text you back in a timely fashion, but you will have some damn good lips. That's so cute. I love that. Anyway, getting back to, I can't see how much product it says in here, but it's a lot. And we got this at the sale for like 100 rand, so that's pretty amazing if you ask me. Yeah, it's got a slight scent of coconut because I was worried about, is it minty? Because I'm the only person on the face of the earth, of the planet, of the times, of the things that is allergic to mint. It has been 60 seconds. Let's see. This looks real attractive. So my top lip came out really nicely, but my bottom lip not so much. Maybe I didn't put enough on. Okay, take two. Okay, take two, much better. I feel like this is the perfect time to do it because my lips have been super dry this week from wearing matte lipsticks all week. So definitely the second time was better. I felt like I put more product. Take three. After doing it like 3 times already, because my lips were super dry, so like I said, this was a good time to do this. I'd say it's removed like 90% of my dry skin, so I was really impressed with that. And I feel like even if I had to go in like another time, I would get like rid of all of it. But I want to try step 2 and see that if that makes a difference as well. But I was really impressed with that. Like, it proper exfoliated, like there was just, you know, it wasn't pretty, but now I feel like it is pretty. Alright, now I'm going to use number 2, the lip priming balm. And it also smells like coconut. Ta-da! Done! So, I wouldn't say it removed as much dead skin as I thought it would have, but like I said, I did have quite a bit. So I feel like in a normal application, you'd be super impressed. And my lips do feel super smooth and really hydrated, so I'm super impressed with this. I'm gonna definitely keep trying this and let you know my updated thoughts on it. Alright, now that I have primed my lips and they're all ready for lipstick later, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and use these babies to do my face today. I'm so excited. So you will remember that they had the metal gloss range, which I think is discontinued now, which look like this. And then these are what the new ones look like. So you can see these are like 2.0, but how much better do they look? Like, They were really upgraded, and the actual hair on the brush is so pretty, like the way it looks compared to their first ones, which were amazing. I still use these all the time. So just the aesthetic of them is really, really nice. In the hashtag full face set, you get 10 brushes, and it says that they are for eyes, lips and face, and it is 350 rand. So that's like 35 rand a brush. That is super, super cheap. And you can see all the brushes you get here. Kelly will let it pop up for you. You've got eye brushes, you've got a highlighter brush, face brushes, you've got an angled brush that you could use for eyeliner or your eyebrows. So really good value for money, and they are so beautiful looking. Alright, so to do my foundation, I'm going to go in with the flat top brush, which looks like this, and it says that this brush is your best friend when it comes to applying any liquid foundation. Right off the bat, it feels really nice, like distributing the product really nice. Personally, I'm usually a beauty blender kind of girl because I'm full coverage, but this is really beautiful for natural coverage. Dun, 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 dun. It's here and it's huge. Look how big this is, seriously. You get like a huge ass mirror. There's Kate in the background. Okay, and then you've got all your colors here, and then you've got the info on the side. So let's just give some info. Matte cheek tint, your cheeks but better. Sheer buildable matte. The Pillow Soft cream formula of the Bubble Blush is designed to be the most user-friendly cheek color in the universe. Cream blush has this way of giving you that fresh flush like you just ran in the snow or kissed Zac Efron. Hey boo. I am definitely agreeing with that. Like, look how universal this is for all shades of color. I feel like as a makeup artist, this could be definitely a must-have in your kit. If Swiitch Beauty can create a range of blushes to suit all shades of skin, you'd think Tarte and what's it that from Beauty Blender could do the same, seeing as they're like a massive company, but no. Anyway, South Africa will do it for you anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go in with brown sugar to bronze my face, and then I'm gonna go in with the angled brush. A little bit definitely goes a long way. It looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Bronze Goddess, and it's a very glowy. I feel like this is perfect for summer. It's very glowy, bronzy. Alright, so as you can see, I got like a little bit of a natural glow. And to add to that, I'm going to do my blush now, and I'm going to go in with the shade Flush. Alright, I put like that much on. We will see whether it's too much or not. So, it may look like you've got barely anything on your brush, like you haven't even put anything on. But like the tiniest little bit, like even just like a tiny mark on there goes a long way. And we all know I'm not a big blush fan on this channel, but I really like this because it feels like it's part of my skin, and it feels glowy, and it doesn't feel like I'm that typical grandma with a blush there and here. I feel like with like a little bit of powder it'll be good. Like, it doesn't feel super sticky. Like, it definitely, I can feel like it's drying down to matte. I feel like if you didn't even want to put powder on top of this, if you were a super dry skin type of girl, then you wouldn't even really need it. And I really like that. I think for summer, guys, I'm gonna be tan. Don't quote me on it, but I think I'm going to be tan and be into this super glowy, wet looking skin. And I'm really living for this. So, thumbs up. This right here is my jam and my new holy grail powder. It is replacing all other drugstore powders. I can only compare it to Makeup Forever HD powder. It is so finely milled. It is just so soft. It doesn't give you cake face. You do like a tiny bit and it goes on forever. Like, often with cheaper powders, I feel like I've put on so much and I keep having to go in because it's not setting my under eye properly. I love this stuff so much. A little bit goes a long way, and I got it for like 100 bucks on sale at the pop-up event, and I think normally it retails for 150 online. We'll put the price below. And no flashback. Bonus. Alright, so I'm using, from the same range I was talking about, I'm using their powder brush. So matte, so quick. Dun dun! Done. Alright, so as you can see, I've done my eyebrows and I've done my eyes. So on my crease, I used brownie orangey shade from the ever trusty Unicorn Sauce palette. It's like all the colors you'll ever need, practically. And then on my lid I use shade Havana from the Bubble Blush palette, and I am living for this eyeshadow. It's so nice. It's just like a natural, like Katie said, like sunset eye. So super easy to just like put on and blend out. Like, if you're apprehensive to put a cream on your eye, this blended out so nicely. Alright, so I'm going in with shade Havana just on the underneath, and I'm living for this brush. I've been searching for a tiny brush like this forever, like just perfect for your crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Essence Forbidden Volume Mascara, and I'm not doing liner today because I just feel like I just want to showcase the eyeshadow and lots of lengthy mascara. Alright, for lips I'm going in with shade Pink Dew from the Bubble Blush palette, and I'm using a flat liner brush from the same range. I love this. I just feel like it needs a little more like a shimmery gloss with the eyes, and it'll be super nice. But I love the shade, and especially because these dry down matte, like it's probably not going to go anywhere. And just like so super easy, considering you can just maybe take like this one palette, you've got stuff for your eyes, you've got a bronzer, you've got a lip color, like all you need is a highlighter, and like you know, A for away. So that's really good value for money. Like, let's just review. I loved the Bubble Blush palette. Like, I think it's so universal, so versatile. It would work with so many different shades of skin tones. Like, I feel like if I was tan, I would be loving this even more. It would just be so super glowy for summer. I loved the brushes. I loved in particular that tiny brush for the crease. I thought that was really nice. How can I forget about the powder? Because that is just my go-to daily jam. I just love it so much. That powder is amazing, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be my holy grail for a long time to come. Keeps you matte for super long, all day. Like, you barely need to touch up anything. You don't break apart. It's cruelty free. It's cheap. Need I go on? And the lip stuff, I'm definitely gonna keep trying that. Definitely gonna keep trying that. It definitely did exfoliate my lips. Like I said, I feel like I need to keep giving that a go because my lips were super dry from so many matte lipsticks. But I really think that was really well priced, and it's actually like such a nice gift to give someone as well. Like, it's cute and a little bundle. The packaging is so nice. You come with a lip balm and an exfoliator. Moral of the story is that you should go out and buy Swiitch Beauty because, like I said, support local brands that are cruelty free, cheap, and stuff that actually works and is amazing, and they're aesthetic as. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, give it a like. Kelly suck. Check out our Instagram, please, because it is growing slowly, and we would appreciate all the support over there as well. I love you. Okay, bye.